Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to switch from Amazon Business to a personal account. This is particularly useful when you need to separate your professional purchases from personal ones, or simply want to access features exclusive to individual shoppers. First, open your web browser and navigate to Amazon.com. Once the page loads, sign into your Amazon Business account. This will bring you to the main Amazon homepage where you can start the switching process. Now, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see either your name or your initials displayed there. Hover your mouse over this area and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select Switch Accounts. This option is designed specifically for users who manage multiple Amazon accounts, making it easy to toggle between them without having to log out and back in repeatedly. At this point, you'll see a list of accounts that are already linked to your current session. If your personal account appears in this list, simply click on it and Amazon will automatically switch you over. The transition happens instantly, and you'll notice the interface reflecting your personal account details right away. However, if your personal account isn't listed yet, don't worry. You'll need to add it first. Look for the Add Account option and click on it. This will take you to a new screen where you'll be prompted to enter your account credentials. Type in either your mobile number or email address associated with your personal Amazon account, then click Continue. Amazon will then guide you through the verification process to confirm your identity and link the account. Once your personal account is added to the list, it becomes available for quick switching in the future. This means you won't have to go through the Add Account process again. You can simply hover over your name, select Switch Accounts, and choose whichever account you need at that moment. And there you have it. You've successfully switched from your Amazon Business account to your personal account, giving you full access to all your personal orders, wish lists, and settings. This flexibility makes managing multiple accounts seamless and efficient. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.